Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is 5th Maharashtra City Plans Climate Roadmap. Mira Bhayandar, a city in Maharashtra, launched its climate action plan to become a climate resilient city with the goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2047. The plan, developed jointly by the Aga Khan Agency for Habitat India and Mira Bhayandar Municipal Corporation, includes 36% emissions reduction through renewable energy, energy-efficient buildings, and better waste management practices. Mira Bhayandar is the 5th city in Maharashtra with a climate action plan, joining Mumbai, Sholapur, Nasik, and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, formerly Aurangabad. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS JS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Key objectives: the plan identifies 6 priority areas: energy and buildings, water supply, urban flooding, urban greening and biodiversity, mobility and air quality, and waste management. For buildings, green, retrofitting, energy-efficient cooling solutions, and rooftop solar adoption are recommended. Nature-based solutions such as wetland conservation and permeable pavements are proposed to combat urban flooding and water scarcity. The plan aims to increase green cover and reduce urban heat islands effects by involving communities in green space development. The plan also emphasizes the importance of local participation in achieving these goals, including waste recycling and energy-efficient building practices. Challenges and emission sources. The city's primary emission source includes stationary energy 62%, transport 22%, and waste 16%. The city's rapid urbanization has led to a 13.6% reduction in urban green cover with a 50% increase in built-up area from 2005 to 2022, contributing to a rise in surface temperature. The transport sector contributes significantly to air pollution, with PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels exceeding WHO standards by multiple times. Waste management, particularly construction and demolition waste, remains a significant challenge despite ongoing initiatives. Now it's time for the practice question. What nature-based solution is recommended to combat flooding in Mira Bhayandar? Building more dams, wetland conservation and permeable pavements, concrete flood barriers, or widening drainage system? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.